ReadToMe helps improve students' English reading and comprehension skills. With the dictionary tool in ReadToMe, students can learn meanings of all words in their English textbooks. For students to improve their vocabulary, it is important to check and understand meanings of any new or difficult words they read. You can encourage students to use these new words to make their own sentences. Let me show you how to use the dictionary tool on ReadToMe, and then we will look at some new and interesting ways to use it in the class. To check the meaning of any word in your textbook, simply select the word and then click on this dictionary icon. The meaning of the word is immediately available. Let us try this for another word. In this case, the chosen word has more than one meaning. You can explain the meaning that is relevant to the chapter. Let us now take a look at the dictionary being used in a classroom.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of holiday?
Okay, let's find out. Okay, can you read the meaning?
Yes, ma'am. The activity of keeping something secret.
Have you understood?
Yes.
Okay, now let's see. Can you make a sentence with the word hiding?
Sanskrit is hiding my pen.
Can you say that again?
Sanskrit is hiding my pen.
Very good. Clap for him. Remember to always encourage students to use every word they learn in their own sentences. This helps them improve their vocabulary and comprehension. Thank you.